plank for 1 minute every day and see what happens. The plank is one of the simplest exercises that you can do. Being simple, though, does not mean that doing a plank is easy. See, getting into a plank pose can be easy, holding a plank can be easy for a few seconds as well, but as you push the timing and hold it for longer, you will notice your whole body crumbling as the seconds pass by. So what exactly happens if you can manage to plank for 1 minute every single day? Let's find out. Planks will improve your posture. Planks are able to improve your posture, which is incredibly important for a number of things. Good posture prevents your body from developing injuries by improper weight distribution, which can affect everything from major exercise routines to small movements like bending over. Since planks work your core, that means that they work basically the whole body. The plank strengthens your spine and your abdominal muscles, which naturally result in a strong posture as they grow in strength. What's more, good posture increases your height, making you appear lean and actually increasing your height a bit too. They can help get rid of back pain. This benefit is primarily due to the improved posture that planks help with, but that's not all. The plank doesn't just prevent certain types of back pain, but enhances the health of your back as a whole. They help you build up the muscles in your abdomen, which allow further support of your posture. Having strong abdominal muscles also means that your body feels less of your weight. Strong abdominals take a lot of the stress off of your back. They also improve your flexibility. Unlike some exercises that simply improve the strength of your muscles, planks offer a versatile range of benefits, such as improving your flexibility. Planks make your posterior muscle groups, not just your glutes, but all of the muscle groups in the back of your body, much more flexible. These include the muscles around your shoulders and your collarbone area, and your shoulder blades themselves. These muscle areas will grow and stretch with continued planking, which is great, because these areas are often neglected during many traditional exercise routines. You'll become better coordinated. One of the best benefits of planking doesn't come from actual muscle growth, but from its ability to help you train your muscles to be more stable. Your body uses its core muscles to help maintain balance. This is obvious when you're running, biking, exercising in any way, or during active leisure activities like dancing. The majority of the stabilization comes from your core. Strengthening your core also teaches you how your body and muscles work together, and can help improve your ability to work as a single unit instead of trying to control a bunch of different muscle groups simultaneously. All in all, doing planks every day for 1 minute has a range of benefits for your body. It is worth all the sweat and tears, guys. Let us know about your plank journey in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.